Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling restricted mode on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three lines button in the top right corner. Then choose Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Scroll down the settings and under the Content and Display heading, tap on Content Preferences. Tap Restricted Mode, then tap Turn Off. You'll now have to enter the passcode that you created when enabling restricted mode. Enter the passcode and tap Next. Restricted mode will be immediately disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.